Hey guys, again welcome back to our YouTube channel Cool Gadgets. Hope you all are well, and today's video is gonna topic of top 7 drone which is best for camera shooting or for video shooting. So in this video I'll get discuss or I am going to show you the top 7 drones which is highly qualified and registered. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. So let's move to the video. So guys, the number one there is Autel Robotics Evo Lite. The Autel Robotics Evo Lite comes in two flavors: the standard model for 4K recording and the upgrade Evo Lite Plus with a 1-inch sensor that shoot up to 6K video. The Evo Lite series are sturdy and stable folding drones, offering many of the same flight features as most modern consumer drones. The low light performance in Evo Lite Plus is the selling point, which is great for cloudy days for those of us with a commercial license and clearance to fly at night. The Evo Lite sits nicely in between the DJI Air 2S and the DJI Mavic 3, both in terms of capabilities and price, soundly rounding out of purchasing options. So guys, on number 2 there is DJI Air 2S. The launch in April 2021, the DJI Air 2S was a welcome upgrade to a popular series of drones, not just an update to Mavic Air and Mavic Air 2 previous, but a fresh touch for Mavic line entirely. The Air 2S rocks a 20 megapixel camera with 1-inch sensor. The first time we have seen this size of camera on drone this small and at this low of a price point. The camera shoot up to 5.4K video, offers to 8x zoom and has an amazing 7.5 mile connectivity range and include all new flight Osmo pocket cameras. While there is a better, most affordable craft to just enjoy flight, the DJI Air 2S is the recommendation for the best drones of the average pilot. The Damra drone offers enough to the best flight features to be worth the money, and the drone is small enough to consider packing a journey. So guys, on number 3 there is DJI Mini 2. Introducing in fall of 2020, the DJI Mini 2 is a powerful update to Mavic Mini for the last year. Nearly identical in form function, the newer Mini 2 offers an update 4K camera, vast improved video data rate, more powerful motors and oscillosonic connectivity. The result of the update is faster, stronger mini drones that can fly further, take better photo shoots, much better videos and stay airborne for longer. So guys, on number 4 there is DJI PVF. DJI offers 2021 with a new machine that slightly reinvent the way of you fly. To be fair, there is nothing really about the DJI PVF expected in combine the best way of camera drone with the thrill of a racing drone. Controlling the machine can be managed as if the PVF was a drone camera drone and jump up to sport mode to get a tease of what it's likely to fly a racing drone. Then go to full manually to really fly in this machine, adding to the thrill. The DJI PVF clocks along at up to 87 mph, comes with DJI PVF goggles, V2, a VR headset, and there is an optional new handed motion roller. So guys, on number 5 there is Mavic Dji Mini. Introducing in fall of 2019, the DJI Mavic Mini is so compact that it doesn't need to be registered in many countries, weighing in at 249 gram or 0.548 pounds. It is exempted from FAA registration, however it is still a drone. You have still to follow the rules in the sky. Despite its size, the Mavic Mini packs a 3-axis stabilizes 28 megapixel 2.7K camera, 30 minutes flight time and GPS enabled flight features such as RTH and more. If you are looking to get smartphone quality camera shots from the sky, the Mavic Mini is one of the best options you will find today. And guys, number 6 there is Cyan X5C. We are firmly ever inspiring the drone pilot should start with the drone like Cyan X5C. The toy class drone has a functionality, but it's just true the piloting experience of more expensive drone. Flying this machine will help you to master the basic of flight, understanding which way is forward and managing to hit the video record button at the right time in the dead flight. Crashing is the most inevitable, but would you rather learn how to handle crash on the machine worth hundred or even thousands of dollars, or recycling and fun Cyan X5? So guys, at last number there is Hubsan S301. There is no single category for a smart drone, but is generally considered a machine that can fit in palm of your hands to be a nano drone. One of the of your absolute favorite is the Husband S301, and we respect Husband as a brand. We have many of their large drone in various other categories on the side, but the H311 is the one of the easiest machine to get your hand on and safest to fly indoors. Make no mistake, there is a toy drone. It has limited battery life and minimal flight capabilities compared to more advanced machine, but its lives on my desk and flies secondly. It's challenging enough to hone my piloting skill and super fun. It's also priced right to be a great